Alright then boys, let's get into this. And as you can see here, why I lost £400 being stupid this morning, I'm going to show you the exact trade that I took and why I was a ridiculous person this morning and how I made a mistake. So I'll come to the chart this morning. This is what I can see. Alright, the setup was looking good. Yep, I was a bit tired. I've been staying up late, I've been focusing on the YouTube, whatever, no excuse, should go bed earlier. So I'm looking at the chart and I'm thinking, right, the market has been trending down for a long time. Now, I understood that this area here within the market was looking like a double bottom. I understood that, but I understood that the overall sentiment in the market was down. And, as you know, in my trading plan, if I see a bearish candle, or a bullish candle, but a bearish candle in this case, closing with strong momentum, and on the 5-minute time frame, the structure meets my criteria, which I will get into, then it's a trade that I should take. So I come to the chart this morning, I seen that we'd had this bearish candle close within this area of resistance, alright, and it looked good off the 4 hour. So I went down onto the 5-minute, and this is the setup that I was looking at this morning. So what I could see is the 5-minute structure, price had been pushing bullish, like this, low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. It respected this area for a double bottom, but then what I noticed was price broke and closed below, and we got a break and retest. So I come to the chart this morning at this 6 o'clock close here, 6 AM close, which you can see the market had been pushing up, we'd been pushing down, we broke out of structure, so the sentiment flipped from being bullish to bearish on the 5-minute. The 4 hour candle had closed bearish with strong bearish momentum. Alright, so I was thinking, right, this is a great setup. I'm going to wait here and see what happens. So let's go through the trade. So I see price pushing, it pushed down a little bit. So in my mind I was thinking, alright, if price pulls back in and around this area, I'm going to look for some kind of a double top, and I'm going to set my sell stop in anticipation of a continuation. So I was waiting, and and I see price pushing up. I see price pushing up into this area. We got a bearish candle with a wick. I put my sell stop in order. I'd set the trade. I'd set my stop loss here above structure, my take profit for a 1 to 2, and I waited. I was sat here waiting, you know, doing my thing in the morning. I got triggered in. Perfect. I was in. I was a little bit concerned about these wicks, but it just was what it was. Everything met my criteria. Structure looked great. Everything looked great. I was feeling a little bit apprehensive about it, but it's just something that I need to conquer in my mind. So I was waiting, and this is what happened. Price started pushing in my direction. Fantastic. So I was in this trade, and I think I got to around maybe, so one candle before this. So I got to around here. This is the price that I got to, and for some reason in my mind I thought I'd gone 1% up in profit. So you can see there, stop loss 9 pips. I thought I'd gone 1% up, right? So 9 pips. That is my trading plan. If I go 1R up, so 1% up, I go break even. I thought I hadn't gone quite to that. I'd only gone 7 pips in, 7.7. So I went break even. Silly old me, only to return 2 minutes later or something, got tagged out and seen that price had instantly pushed in my direction. So as you can see, this is the trade. What a beautiful trade it was. Absolutely beautiful. And I just had to sit there and watch this happen. This would have been £400 for me. I'm on a £20,000 account, FTMO account. So 2% of 20,000 is £400. Would have been money in the bank. But because I wasn't thinking properly and concentrating, doing whatever I was doing, being foolish, I missed out on £400 this morning. All through nothingness, basically. So that was the trade. I didn't really let it get to me. It was what it was. It was just a foolish mistake. At the end of the day, I didn't lose anything. But, you know, It's just one of them things, isn't it? And to be honest, it was a great trade. And as you can see, what ended up happening with this market structure is we got this bearish candle. I was anticipating for the next candle to be bearish, which we got, and the next candle after that was bearish. And here we're at current price. So it just was what it was. So going forward, I mean, for me, let's just get rid of this and let's just have a look at a few things what I can do going forward to just make sure this doesn't happen again, because I just don't want that feeling again of just thinking what a fool. So just on the ball more, be on the ball, focus on the trading. It's quite hard, you know, you're doing all these things in the morning, you get ready for work. Sorry, you can see a bit of paint there, it's a bit of black bitumen from today. Just be on the ball. If you're trading, trade. Don't be doing anything else. And of course, you know, this is before work. I'm not doing it in work. I trade in work only twice a day, as you know in my plan, 10 o'clock and 2 o'clock. But if you're going to trade, try and make it so that you're focusing on what you're doing completely. No distractions. This is big money on the line. If you're trading a funded account, it's big money on the line. You don't want to be missing these opportunities. Some people, £400, some people work, what, 4 days for that? 5 days? I don't know what people are earning. It depends on your age. You know, people work a lot of hours for that. And I just gave it all away for nothing. Be on the ball. Focus on your trading. I mean, I don't know what else to say. If you're trading, just focus on the trade. Just don't be foolish as well. Just don't be scared of what you're doing as well. You know, if I'd have just left it, I'd not even focused on what it was doing, in some sense, just set it, forget it. That's better than frantically doing whatever I was doing and looking at the chart. If I'd have just set and forget, then I would have been fine. But because I was just in this stupid state of mind, maybe a bit tired and whatever else, I ballsed up. So this is my daily update on the trades that I took today. As promised, I said I'm going to document every single trade that I took. It was a great setup. It was a great opportunity. And look at it. It could have been beautiful. It could have been beautiful. This is perfect. Apart from this mess here, which really doesn't matter, to be honest, it was a great setup. Now, I've had a lot of people in my comments recently saying, you need to start doing this, you need to start doing that. I will actually put a screenshot up of when I first got into trading, because I found my Instagram messages from when I was speaking to people. If anybody out there remembers Trade Like Ross, I joined a Signals team, Trade Like Ross's Signals, and I just lost money, and that is how my trading journey began. I went through Trade Like Ross. I did it with HD Trading, if anyone remembers them, that Aaron or whatever he was called. There was a good few, and I lost a good few grand doing that. But I knew what trading meant to me at that point, and I knew that it was something that I wanted to pursue in life. I tried many things, as you do, jittering about between it all, and I stopped and I started. I ended up going out a lot when I was younger and just not concentrating and this and that. But here I am. That was 2017 when I first got into that. November 2017. It's August 2024. So my knowledge is pretty good with this. I have had funded accounts in the past. My MFF went bump. My Forex funds went bump. Don't know what's happening with my accounts there. My money, my profits, everything. As I said, I went onto a different business venture after that. I don't even know. I just lost my mind with it, really. Got offered an opportunity to do something which I'm still working on now, which is going well. But yeah, it's not where I want it to be. And anyway, we're back on the trading. So all these people in my comments, I really appreciate it, saying I should get on a demo account and I should start doing this and that. And, you know, I only risk 1% of my account. Risk management is absolute key. I've shown you my trading plan. For anybody that doesn't believe me, this is my trading plan. Okay? Come on, load up. This is my trading plan. Be sure to take a close look for everybody that's saying these things in my comments. I appreciate it. Max risk, 1% per trade. This is my plan. People are saying you need to have a plan, a clear structure of what you're doing. I've told you what I'm doing in my other videos. I trade the way I do, and if it doesn't suit your criteria, that is fine. Honestly, I'm on a good thing here. I understand exactly what I'm doing. Sometimes my psychological side to the trading isn't the greatest, but I appreciate everyone's concern. Get on a demo. I've traded many demo accounts. I'm on the live now, boys, on my FTMO. It's alright. Don't worry. Don't panic. I'm alright. Anyway, that's the end of that one. So, hopefully, I'll be back tomorrow with another video of a banging trade that I've took, and hopefully with some profits for you all. So I enjoyed that one. Any suggestions? Leave me some comments in the comment section. You know, anything. Let's have a chat. I'll see you in the next one, boys. Take care.